yo, welcome back to the channel. All right, y'all, we got this engine finally back in here. Everything hooked up, except I got a little box I gotta put, that little cabinet filter I gotta put back in this cover. But everything is hooked up. But I can't crank it because we lost the key. So he gotta drill this switch out on this one because we done lost the key. And we got everything in the way in here. The headlights I gotta get put back in there. Hold on. I gotta move some stuff around back so I can get in here. Oh.
I need a film.
Oh yeah, and when y'all drilling out, you gotta use some titanium drill bits.
Got to.
Cause those right there
Harbor Freight
did not work. You gotta use some titanium drill bits. And when you drilling out that ignition switch, if you ain't got no key, you just drill straight through the middle. Don't go back too far, cause the ignition cylinder lock is only about that big. So you don't want to drill all the way to the back there. So
yeah, definitely
just drill straight through the middle. Once you get that out, it'll just come out when you want to put your another one in there.
Yeah.
All right, titanium drill bits, y'all, and you might want to use some little drilling oil too, cause that drill bit do get hot.
Get a little hot.
Alright, y'all, we drilled it out. See it now. So, can't go wrong with that.
And no, not with Harbor Freight drill bits.
Let's see it. Hold on. Alright, that's it.
And we didn't mess it up.
Yeah, see that? Take the light off of it. Let me see. Nah. Just trying to get a glare on now.
Got her out of there. Yep, everything's still working. Need something to blow it out
Yeah. Yeah. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe on the video and share it.
and I be fixing dude.